What's up, eggheads? Ken here with Newegg Now, always bringing you the best products for the best prices. If you're looking for a way to simultaneously keep your system cool while also sprucing up the color, you're in the right place. I've got the COOLMOON RGB cooling fan kit right here. Without wasting any of your time, let's get this box open. Okay, so here you go, everything you get in the box. 3 wonderful RGB PC fans, although you do have the option of buying 1 fan, 3 fans, or 6 fans. This is simply the 3 fan kit. You get 1 Molex connector cable, 1 RF remote controller with 21, yep, it's right side up, 21 buttons, a hub box, okay, we get the hub box, and of course, an installation diagram, instruction manual, and yes, all of the screws. Okay, let's take a look at the most important part, the fans. Notice, each fan is equipped with 2 independent light loops, okay? 1 on the front and 1 on the back, all right? 2 independent light loops. This is a great advantage over other fans in the market. Many RGB fans only have a loop on one side, all right? So you're getting double the light, that's pretty cool. Here you get front and back RGB coverage, awesome. They're constructed with ABS plastic, that's acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, a thermoplastic polymer with no true melting point. Don't try to melt the system though. The fans might not melt, but your hard drive will, okay? That would be bad. Each fan has a 120 millimeter case, a 9-page ultra-thin fan blades, 9-page ultra-thin fan blades. You've got rubber pads and hydraulic bearing on each and every corner. Are we talking about a high-end car here or RGB fans? I mean, this is crazy. You're gonna get almost no vibration transfer to the chassis with all of this, and unless you have other more noisy components in your system, these should purr below 25 decibels. All right, notice the interface here on the hub, the interface here. It's a 6-pin interface specially designed to provide the fans with safe and reliable power output. All right, with that, you're gonna get a maximum speed of up to 1500 RPM, and with these, a wind flow of 38.5 CFM, which is cubic feet per minute. Oy vey, that was a lot of technical information for fans, but let's talk function, okay? You get an RF wireless remote controller. You can easily control the lights of the fans. As you can see, you probably guessed, I have got them hooked up right now. We are going to experience the awesome RGB lighting effects. All right, you get up to 366 lighting modes, so many dynamic effects possible. The instruction manual spells it out nice and easy. If you look at the controller, you get on and off, and you're thinking, Ken, just show us. Why is he talking so much? Here we go, magic. Bam. Look at that. This is pretty cool. All right, so let's follow the remote. Obviously, I just hit the on button, turning the fans on, but look at all these other options you get. You can turn it on auto, so it's gonna auto cycle through a bunch of different modes. If I want to go to monochromatic, red, green, blue, yellow, different shades of yellow. So many different ways you can have fun with this. You can adjust the speed of the color changes as well. There's a speed plus or minus, so I can toggle the speed up, make it change faster, change different modes. You can do the monochrome, etc., etc. I think this is awesome. Notice on the hub, the 2-pin reset switch. So I do have the fans plugged into the hub. This is what it's going to look like. Obviously, I only have 3 fans plugged in right now. If you have more, you can still use that. The reset switch right on that end. The 2-pin reset switch on the controller hub can replace the reset button on your case to change the fan colors as well. But I think you're fine with the remote. So as you can see, whoa, as you can see, COOLMOON has provided you with an extremely affordable way to keep your system cool and stylish here. It's quiet. As you can see, I'm leaning my microphone in. Let's take a listen. All right, very nice and quiet. You can have 1, 3, or 6 awesome fans. Make sure to follow the instructions, of course. Don't plug the pins into the wrong connector on the motherboard. That would be a shame. For such a low cost, and for only using 3.8 watts of power, having this wireless controller with 366 different color modes and such strong yet quiet fans makes this a definite buy, either for you or as a gift for a gamer you love. For current pricing, please check the description or click that link below. The COOLMOON RGB Cooling Fan Kit. I'm Kenan with Newegg Now, and now you know.